How can you edit stickers on the iPhone? Let me explain it and guide you through it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the stickers can either be found inside of the keyboard, or the best way to find it, no matter what, would be to go to the messages, opening up any chat you want, and when you tap the plus button next to the text field, we can access the stickers menu. And I can pull up the panel like that, and in order to make some changes to it, depends on what we want to change, but to edit the stickers, I can hold down, for example, on this one right there, right? Not actually tap it like I did, but you can come back to the stickers and actually hold it down on it. So when I hold it down like this, you can see we can delete it, rearrange it, and add effect. So when you click on edit the effect, you can see that we have like 5 options below. That's like the most common way you can edit the stickers, because we have the original, then we have the outline, you can see the white outline around it, then we have some kind of like comic look, then puffy, whatever that is, and also this colorful one. So these are the effects we can add to existing stickers to edit them in some meaningful way. So that's how you can do this for literally every sticker. And as you can see, if I held down on it, I also get the option to rearrange them, meaning that I can put those which I use most commonly toward the top, so I don't have to like dig through the settings list, the stickers list, right, to find the one which I really need. So that's how it works. And since you are inside of the edit mode, you can as well tap on the minus icons to remove them from your stickers selection. So that's the best way you can edit them. Of course, that's how it works using the built-in method. If you need it to be a little bit more professional, like obviously there are plenty of sticker maker apps on the App Store, but those usually have a paid subscription, and it works on like a different basis where you kind of like get to customize your own and style, give it access to whatever. So yeah, it's a little bit of a different thing, but if you want to play around with it, get an app like that. But using the built-in methods, you can edit them the way that I showed you at the beginning. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you liked the video. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.